Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use QuillBot Paraphrasing tool. So, in order to do this, first of all, open any browser on your PC and navigate to QuillBot.com. Now log in using user credentials and you will see this page. On this page, click on Paraphraser option, that is the first one. And this is going to open up a page that will look something like this. Now you'll have to simply navigate and copy the text that you want to paraphrase, right click here and click on paste. You can also click on paste text here and click on allow, and this is automatically going to copy the text from your clipboard and paste it just right here. After that, click on the paraphrase button here and this is quickly going to paraphrase your text that you entered here quickly. You can choose how much synonyms you want, whether you want fewer changes that is more accurate or more changes that will be less accurate. If you want a lot of changes, you'll have to unlock that feature with Premium QuillBot plan. Click on Unlock with Premium, then click on Upgrade to QuillBot Premium, choose a premium plan and click on Select. Now complete the payment and you can do these changes pretty easily. Now you can choose the modes, whether you want a standard, fluency, natural, former or academic rephrasing for your text. You can choose any one of these modes as you want, click on rephrase and it will be done accordingly. So that's how you rephrase in QuillBot. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.